Hey guys, welcome to 1159 Videos. Today is going to be a fact or a myth type of video. So saw this little mix on YouTube or someone saying, hey, this fixes cracked windshields, where they take a little bit of water and then they take a little bit of rubbing alcohol. So they pour it in there, which, you know, alcohol technically you can put that in your gas tank and it'll eat up water, so they're kind of working against each other. Then it's like, oh, some bug spray. Bug spray. Some bug spray in there. This one's only 7% DEET, so, and then of course salt. So we're gonna put a little bit of salt in there. There's a little brush right here. Mix it all up. It dissolves. What I'll do is I'll apply it to the windshield, and I've got a nice little cracked crust here, which I'm going to eventually replace with a new windshield here shortly. So I'll figure what the heck, we'll see if this does anything. Have a little bit of fun today. It's a Friday, so what the heck. Alright, and got the nice bug smelly little mix going on right here, and it seems to have actually dissolved the salt. So I'm going to go ahead and put some on the windshield. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of reapply a little bit, just make sure it's definitely got a good covering. And I'm going to leave the other half right there at that corner alone. Let's see what we got. Now, we'll come back in about an hour and we'll see what we got. Well, after I've spent a little bit of time here, let everything do its thing, it's been a couple hours now, and still, I've actually reapplied it too, just in case they say, oh, you didn't reapply it. Well, I've already reapplied it like 4 times just to see, and nothing. So let me get you a close-up on it, but, you know, After Effects in there or something, but yeah, it definitely didn't work. So let me give you a close-up in it, and this truck's going to end up getting a brand spanking new windshield, like it should be replaced and fixed the correct way. And so let me show you. Now you can see where the residue is, so it's definitely been on there, but it did nothing. So now I got a big old mess I got to clean off my windshield. That's what it did. Need something I have to clean up. Anyways, I hope that helped you guys. I'll catch you on the next one with Video Night Videos. Out.